This 2024 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 34H5 is a Class A RV. It is located in Gambrills, Maryland, 21054 and is offered for sale by Chesaco RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a PEARL interior decor, fossil maple wood color interior, and 0 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.